talking more about relative frequencies. We have a two-way table here that shows the results of a survey that asked college-bound high school students whether they planned on majoring in a medical field. And here's the results. Out of a junior class, 124 said yes, 219 said no, and for the senior class, 101 said yes, and 236 said no. Well, for the marginal frequencies, what we do is add the rows, we get these numbers, and add the columns, we get these numbers, and then we end up with 680 students in that survey, added this way or this way. So let's do a marginal relative frequency. All right, so we're taking that same data right here, and we're going to take the juniors, 124, and we're going to divide it by how many were surveyed, 680. So 124 divided by 680 is 0.18, approximately 0.18, 0.18. All right, same thing with this one. We'll take 219 and divide it by 680. And to speed this up, I'll just go ahead and tell you that's 0.32. For this one, we have 101 divided by 680, which would be approximately 0.15. And for this one, we would take 236 and divide by 680 surveyed, and we would get 0.35. Now, to get this total, we'll add 0.18 and 0.32 together, and we'd get 0.5 or 0.50. If we add 0.15 and 0.35 together, we get 0.5 again. If you add 0.50 and 0.50, you would get 1, and that would be normal for a marginal relative frequency. If I add 0.18 and 0.15, I get 0.33. And if I add 0.32 and 0.35, I get 0.67. And you will notice these two added up gives you 1 as well. So the sum of the marginal relative frequencies in the total row and total column will be equal to 1. Okay? Now we're going to look at the conditional relative frequencies. And what we'll do here to get those is look at the 0.18 and divide by 0.33. Gotta love my dog barking like that. We'll take 0.15 and divide by 0.33. We'll take 0.32 and divide by 0.067. And we'll divide 0.35 divided by 0.67. So the first one is 0.55. And then this is 0.45. This one is 0.48. And this last one is 0.52. And that would be your conditional relative frequencies.